fell upon the altar, heard it echo down the hall, like the sound of pouring rain, as the tears began to fall. There's a cry to God for mercy. His life began again. The only sound to be heard was the sound of breaking chains. Some fell on the altar, some fell on the floor, some fell in the hallway, some fell by the door. Jesus took the bonds away till nothing else remained. All the man he used to be, except the sound of breaking chains. For hours he just knelt and prayed, and his eyes began to show a spark of happiness inside he'd lost so long ago. As his tears were dried, the echo of his praying still remained. Witness to the world was a sound of breaking chains. Oh, some fell on the altar, some fell on the floor, some fell in the hallway, some fell by the door. Jesus took the bonds away till nothing else remained. Of the man he used to be, except the sound of breaking chains. Took the bonds away till nothing else remained. All the man he used to be, except the sound breaking chains.